What if the most futuristic interior in its class didn't come from a luxury brand? This is the 2026 JAC JS6, and it's JAC's answer to the high-tech SUV revolution. With a design inspired by the stars and an interior that puts some premium sedans to shame, the JS6 is out to prove that value doesn't have to mean basic. Welcome back to DRX AUTO MOBI. Today, we're looking at the compact SUV that's packing some of the best screen real estate in the business. Big news for 2026 is the JS6 PHEV. It's JAC's ultimate long-distance weapon by pairing a 1.5-liter engine with a high-torque electric motor. You get a combined range of 1,300 kilometers. That's enough to drive from Dubai to Riyadh on a single tank. If you're just commuting, the 120-kilometer pure electric range means you might not even burn a drop of gas during the week. It's silent, efficient, and hits 100 kilometers per hour in just 7.3 seconds. Inside, the JS6 feels like a digital playground. The centerpiece is the massive 24.6-inch dual-screen display, which integrates your instruments and infotainment into one seamless glass panel. The build quality has taken a massive jump for 2026. Featuring 64-color ambient lighting and a sleek, knob-type electronic gear shifter, whether you're using the 360-degree God's Eye camera or syncing your phone via Apple CarPlay, the interface is snappy and intuitive. It's a cockpit designed for the digital generation. Comfort hasn't been forgotten. The JS6 features integrated 3D racing seats that offer incredible lateral support and a sporty look. And despite its compact footprint, surprisingly spacious. You get 670 liters of trunk space, which expands to over 1,000 liters with the seats down. Add in the panoramic glass sunroof that stretches across the cabin, and you have an interior that feels airy, premium, and ready for a weekend getaway. The 2026 JAC JS6 is the smart choice for those who want flagship tech on a realistic budget. It's bold, it's efficient, and it's a genuine contender. Would you choose the PHEV or the standard 1.5T? Let us know in the comments. Like and subscribe for DRX AUTO MOBI. I'll see you in the next one.